Alrighty. This little guy here, which is a tire pressure sensor, TPS system. It's tsttruck.com. Awesome little device. Hear that little rattle in there? Yeah, that's what I'm making this video about. And what I'm trying to do is bought this guy. We're RV transporters, as you'll tell on my YouTube channel. And so that means this gets plugged in and unplugged by each RV that we transport. So it has to get moved around. One of the downfalls to this thing was this little guy right here, the charging piece. Can I turn on the light? Let's see here. This little piece right here. If I can hold my hands steady. Okay. It looks like it's in there, but it's not. It is broken off, that piece right there. So the USB plug-in that goes in there will not go in there. And if you can't plug it in, you can't charge it. Can't charge it, it doesn't work. You have no idea how much this really saves, because when you put one of those sensors on the tires and it goes down, you're instantly alerted. And when I say instantly, usually within a couple minutes, but still, it's instantly compared to driving 100 miles and finding out you've been tearing up a tire. And when you buy Michelin tires that are $150 a piece, that gets expensive. So, hence, this thing has saved us more than once. Well, it broke about 2 months ago, and I still have not been able to figure out how to replace just this piece. So, I'm making this video looking for somebody to tell me if they know a place I can buy just this. We purchased this about 2 years ago from Techno RV. And I'm about to contact them and send them this video and see if they can help me out also. They may be the people that can help me here. They've been very helpful in all the phone conversations that we've had in reference to learning this and the Garmin and all those other devices that we bought from them. So we'll see how this works. But just to let you know, these things are well worth it. And if I was doing RV transporting in a truck, I wouldn't hesitate to buy more sensors and put them on every tire each time I took a unit out, because that will just save you that much more hassle. Okay? Yeah, it allows you to know everything that's happening. But, hey, that's up to you guys. I'm just throwing this out there as a video just to let you know about this little guy and that it is a very valuable device. Thank you. Peace, love, and joy, people. Don't forget to like, dislike, like again, subscribe, and notifications bell. That's what it is. Thank you.